Hello and welcome back, and today I'm talking about cutting back the grass pennisetum. Now in my garden I love the grasses and I love all the interest that they give, particularly later on in the season through autumn and through winter. In fact, I made a specific video about why I like keeping the grasses and keeping them long through winter because of all the winter interest. You can check that out here. In March though, I take my usual trip up to the garden shed to get my shears and give them a quick sharpen before starting the big cutback in the garden. So I cut these grasses back really hard to create this nice dome shape, and then I gather up all of the foliage that I've cut off, and that gets used on the compost heap. We're now in late April, and as you can see the new growth is just starting to come through on these grasses, and that's going to start the cycle all over again in the garden. I hope you like this quick video just showing one of my annual jobs that I do every year in the garden. If you did like this video, I'd love it if you give me a thumbs up below, and if you could click subscribe and watch more content that I produce throughout the year, I'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching.